Hello everyone and welcome to yet another video of Cora Chronicle. Today we're gonna solve another Leetcode problem called best time to buy and sell the stock. So we are given a price where price I is the price of the given stock on that particular I day. So we want to maximize our profit by choosing single day to buy stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. And we want to return maximum profit we can achieve from this transaction. And if we cannot achieve any profit, then we want to return 0. Now let us try to visualize this problem. So we are given the list 7, 1, 5, 3, 6 and 4, and this is the visualization of those prices. So if we have to take a price on day 1 where we bought the stock on $7 and we sold the stock on $1 on day 2, then we're gonna have the loss of $6. Likewise, if we bought the stock on day 2 as $1, and if we sold the stock on $5 on day 3, then we're gonna have the profit of $4. The maximum profit that we can get is if we bought the stock on day 1 at a price of $1, and if we sold the stock at day 5 on a price of $6, we're gonna have the maximum profit 5. As a part of this video, we're gonna look into two approaches by which we can solve the problem. The first one will be brute force way. So let us consider the same list 7, 1, 5, 3, 6 and 4, and we want to iterate and capture the maximum profit we can get for all the elements. So at first we gonna compare the maximum profit for price 7. So on day 1 we bought the stock at price 7, and on day 2 we sold at $1. So our profit will be -6. Likewise, when we bought at 7 and sold at 5, we have the -2. Likewise, here we have the -4. Here when we bought at 7 and sold at 6, we have -1. And in this scenario, the maximum profit that we can get is -1. So when we bought the stock at 1 and sold at 5, we can get the profit of 4. And when we bought the stock at 1 and sold at 3, we're going to get the profit of 2. And when we bought at 1 and sold at 6, we're going to get the profit of 5. Because when we bought at 1 and sold at 4, we're going to get the profit of 3. If you see here, the maximum profit we can get is 5. And we're going to do the same thing for 5, 3, 6, and then get the maximum profit. Now let us look into the implementation of this brute force way of solving the problem. So we will have a maximum profit, and we're going to get the profit for every iteration, and we're gonna compare if the profit is greater than maximum profit, and if it is greater, we're gonna update our maximum profit. So this particular algorithm is gonna take O n squared time efficiency because we are using two nested loop, and we can solve this problem in a more naive way. The other way by which we can solve this particular problem is using pointers. So we can introduce a couple of more pointers called current minimum and current maximum profit. So we're going to calculate this minimum and maximum profit as we iterate through the element. At first we start with 7. During that scenario, our minimum number is 7 and the maximum profit that we can get is 7 minus 7, 0. So we're going to store this 0 as our maximum profit. And we go to number 1. We see the price is 1 and the minimum is now changed to 1 because 7 is greater than 1. And we calculate the maximum profit, that is 1 minus 7, and we have -6. Since -6 is smaller than 0, we're going to preserve 0 as our maximum profit. Now we go to 5 and our minimum is 1 here because 5 is greater than 1. And we're going to calculate the maximum profit, which is going to be 4 now because 0 is smaller than 4. Likewise, we go to another day and we get the minimum and we get the maximum profit, and it's gonna be 4 as well. And on the other day, we have the price, we get the minimum, and we calculate the maximum profit. And here maximum profit gonna change to 5 because on this particular day we got the maximum profit, being the previous profit 4. On the last day we have the price 4 and our minimum is still 1. And the profit that we can get on that particular day is 3, which cannot beat our maximum profit till now, which is $5. So we're gonna return the 5 as our answer, which is gonna be our maximum profit. We have an integer value that holds the current minimum, and we have another integer value that holds the maximum so far. we get the current price and we see if current price is smaller than minimum so far. If it is smaller, we update our minimum, and we check if we sell the stock today, we will get the maximum profit or not. And if we get the maximum profit, we're gonna say update our maximum profit. This approach, we were able to solve this particular problem in OA and time efficiency. Hope this video was useful for you. Please feel free to like and subscribe our channel to get more such content. Thanks for watching.